Alright, so the lock I'm going to try to get picked today is this 63mm Lockwood. It was sent to me by another YouTuber, Noctis Motus. I think that's how you say his name. And yeah, awesome picker, and I couldn't be happier. This is probably one of the best looking locks that I have in my whole collection, and it's the second Lockwood. Was the first, other than this MT5 plus Lockwood, but that's a whole nother story there. I'm going to be using this hook diamond from Peterson and a piece of music wire on the top of the keyway. This lock is pretty tough. I've had it for probably a month and a half now, but for the life of me I could not pick it consistently. Not sure why, but yeah, it gives very subtle feedback, and the taper on the driver pins are a nightmare, to say the least. And I think it's because they give a counter rotation similar to the shallow spools that Lockwood uses, so it can be a real nightmare for sure. Alright, I do have a little bit of a false set going on right now, and that wasn't it. That was pin 4, I want to say. And that wasn't it either. So if I think that I just overset something, I'll just feather the tension and let it drop one or more of them back down. It's better to do that than pick on it for 5 minutes and really have 2 overset pins. And I noticed on this lock that if you don't pick it in just the right order, you'll pick one pin, it'll drop another, and so on and so forth until you manage to pick it or you don't. Alright, something's got us hung up in here. There's pin 4 again, pin 5, pin 2. Whoa. The vice just went back a little bit. 6. 3. 1. Oh, come on. There we go. See, that's what I was talking about. You'll bounce around just picking pin after pin, and maybe it'll open, maybe it won't. Let's see. A Phillips screw down the shackle hole. Phillips screw on this tailpiece. Get these drivers out first. Keep you in frame. Oh. The drill pin came out there. Standard. All these are going to be standard Lockwood driver or key pins. Go ahead and get them. And see, that's what I mean whenever I say tapered key pins. Try to slide this up into the light. The camera's casting a shadow. It's a little bit better. Alright, pin chamber 1, we got a shallow spool. 2, we got another shallow spool. 3, another one of the shallow spools. 6 is a shallow spool. 'Whenever I first seen these pins, they really reminded me of they look a lot like the ASSA spool pins. It's just the little shallow nubs that it has on there at the end, and I want to say that they're stainless, but don't quote me on that. And then, yep, that's it. There's nothing in the core, or yeah, in the Bible, or in the core. Focus. Yeah, nothing in there. It's just really tight tolerances. These little tricky pins and light spring tension. That's another thing, that this lock just opens smooth as can be. But anyway, that's my first video in a long time. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.